Cruises. They are the ultimate vacation that combines elegance and exploration. Too bad they're so damn expensive. Or are they? Are you planning your next trip on the sea? Want to know which cruise lines can guarantee you and the family an experience of a lifetime without breaking the bank? We've prepared a list of options for you to choose from. Stick around till number 2 to find out which one gets you the VIP treatment. Ready to get started? Here we go. The top 5 cruise lines to travel on a budget. Number 5. Carnival Cruise Lines. We start our list with the Carnival Cruise Line, which is also the largest cruise line globally with 24 ships heading to several destinations, from the majestic waters of the Mediterranean in Europe to the emerald green waters of the Caribbean and the Mexican Riviera. Some of their courses go up north to places like Canada and Alaska if you don't mind chillier waters. All adventures are a go for the budget-friendly price of less than $100 during sales. As the name implies, the Carnival Cruise Line is a fun-packed adventure on the sea. They're also known for their high-quality service, making this cruise liner ideal for that family voyage on the ocean you've always wanted. There are a host of age-appropriate activities for kids, teens, and adults. After all, they are ranked the number 3 cruise liner for families. There's no shortage of fun activities aboard any of the ships in this line's fleet, with activities ranging from water slides to casinos, sports courts to comical shows. There's something for everyone. Of course, mealtimes are anything but a joke aboard the Carnival ships, with a variety of dining options that incorporate the best of cultures with its diversity. Are you impressed already? Let's just get started. Let's head over to number 4. Number 4, Princess Cruises. Princess Cruises offers more than 2 million guests a year their pick from over 350 destinations. Is your wanderlust insatiable? Then you're in for a treat with any of the 14 ships in this exclusive fleet. This cruise line is renowned by many as being one of the best to travel the seas off the coast of Alaska, the Panama Canal, the Mexican Riviera, Central America, the South Pacific, French Polynesian, Asian, Indian, and African waters. The tech-savvy operations of this cruise liner guarantee that passengers will enjoy nothing but the sweet life on deck. The state-of-the-art vessels incorporate the latest technology to make everything from commerce to entertainment and service requests digital. Guests have all they could want at the touch of a finger. You can also count on enjoying their high-quality services in the plushest settings with private balconies and dining areas where you can feel like a VIP. Number 3. Norwegian Cruise Lines. All 17 of the Norwegian Cruise Line ships are dedicated to excellence with a freestyle ambience that's sure to feel like a breath of fresh air. Unlike other companies, the Norwegian Cruise Line is more laid back than the rest. There's no fixed time for food, and their free at-sea sails provide the best shore excursions, meals, and Wi-Fi in exchange for nothing. Their package deals are popular among the masses because there are no restrictions for guests regarding dining and entertainment options. The only item guests will have to part their money for is their stellar lunch and dinner theater. But their thrilling award-nominated performances are worth every dollar you'll spend. Although this cruise line doesn't pack as many destination options in its belt, it travels well, coming out as one of the best cruise liners for both the Mediterranean and Caribbeans. Another great perk of embarking on the sea with the Norwegian Cruise Line is their welcoming to solo passengers. Most cruise lines cater primarily to families and couples, but on this deck, single travelers can easily buy a ticket for one and stay in one of the comfortable single-themed cabins. So you can enjoy all the luxuries these modern vessels have to offer, whether you're in it for some alone time or looking to meet someone new. Prepare to embark on a grand odyssey of the sea like a VIP as we head to number 2. Number 2, Celebrity Cruises. If you're all for luxury, then prepare to feel like a superstar as you climb aboard one of the world-class memberships of the Celebrity Cruise Line. Who says you can't have luxury at a pocket-friendly price? Certainly not this cruise line with their range of high-flying activities from theater to live music. It's no wonder they rank in the top 10 cruise lines for couples. You and your sweetheart are sure to have a blast attending one of the decade-themed parties under the stars, or visiting the circus-style act in the club. The Celebrity Cruise Line doesn't leave families out of the equation either. They have a host of family fun activities designed to ensure that you have the best vacation ever. So savor all these splendid indoor spaces for dining, dancing, and exercising. You'll have the most engaging holiday as you sail through the Caribbeans, the Bahamas, the Galapagos, Transatlantic, and many more destinations. Of course, what's a star treatment without formal dining? Prepare to be blown away by the world-class chefs who will satisfy your taste buds whether you're craving Italian risotto or Japanese cuisine. Are you enjoying the countdown so far? There are a lot of great options for your money, but let's see the best right now. Number 1. Royal Caribbean International. Innovation and exploration are two words that come to mind when the Royal Caribbean International cruise is part of the conversation. With some of the latest cruise liners on the sea, they offer reasonably priced voyages to different parts of the globe. That's right, contrary to its name, guests aren't limited to their selection of 7 various Caribbean courses. If your inner adventurer would like a taste of the icy shores of Alaska, the more temperate waters of Australia, or the charming borders of Europe, then hop aboard right now. Every ship on the Royal Caribbean's fleets takes service seriously. With an average ratio of 3 guests per 1 staff member, you'll receive all the pampering of royalty when you need it. You'll also have plenty of variety to keep you company whether you're staying for 2 nights or 3 weeks, as some of their vessels cater to the taste buds and interests of over 5,000 guests. That's the population of a small town with the perks of a mega metropolis. If that sounds like an awful lot of people to you, as it can be during the holidays, you should know that Royal Caribbean has one of the highest health ratings among cruise lines. 100% fresh filtered air, EPA-certified cleaning systems, and great medics are all on board to ensure your safety. And that brings us to the end of our video today. We hope you enjoyed it. Have you traveled on any of these cruise lines before? If so, what was your experience like? If you haven't, which one are you considering booking for your next voyage? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Travelers Post for more destination vacation ideas and informative videos like these. Until next time, stay safe.